Welcome to Idiots on the Road, where cars, chaos, and comedy collide. From shocking crashes to funny street moments, we bring you the wild side of driving. Stay tuned, because every second here keeps you hooked. Road rage hits a new low. Instead of using his words, this coward used his car as a battering ram to crush both a bike and its rider. Some cars just need a little help parking. This truck driver was kind enough to lend a hand, and now the car is perfectly parked. This cyclist proves that a cycle can be more powerful than a Ferrari when it comes to controlling the road. Not sure if this is a prank or a serious parking dispute, but it looks like this car has been completely taken hostage. Looks like this guy forgot his other door existed. What do you think about this driver? He's a genius at being difficult, or is this just an idiot? This driver's ego was bigger than his car. Instead of using his words, he used his size to push the biker around, then drove off like a coward. When a parked car blocked his way, this man invented his own solution. He hooked it with a chain and dragged it aside. What do you think about this moment? Does size or wealth define who dominates the road? Here, bravery and persistence leave a bigger mark than muscle ever could. When a parking spot just isn't right, sometimes you need a little help from above. This crane gave a badly parked car a whole new perspective. Some drivers think they can make any turn, but this one just learned that his vehicle is wider than he thought, and now someone else is paying for his mistake. Some parking spots come with an extra risk. This driver thought they were safe, but they just got a harsh dose of instant karma from above. Some people just need a little help finding the right spot. This tow truck isn't just taking the car away, it's giving it a full parking lesson. This is what happens when you park in the wrong place. A simple parking ticket seems easy enough to ignore, but this driver is about to learn that ignoring a fine can quickly lead to losing your car. This wasn't a car crash, it was a comedy of errors. A simple honk and a panicked driver created a spectacle nobody can think of. A little patience could have saved them both a lot of trouble. This driver's haste resulted in a harsh lesson and a brand new scratch. A crushing reminder to always keep your distance, as this truck's simple turn becomes a nightmare for the car clinging to its bumper. This isn't just a parking revenge, it's a garbage takeover, completely burying the bar under a mountain of trash. A high-speed chase on 3 wheels? This driver is either a master of escape or completely out of his mind. Either way, this is one chase you won't believe. Riding side by side with a truck almost ends in disaster. One small turn, one lucky escape, and an angel clearly riding shotgun. One bad park, one quick lift. The machine wastes no time teaching a costly lesson. This isn't just a ticket, it's a moment of pure satisfaction for the crowd. A Ferrari getting a fine is a sight that proves nobody is above the law. This wasn't a stunt, it was a surreal moment of pure chaos. A simple red carpet turned into a scene from a movie, proving that danger can literally fall from the sky. What do you think? This car was trying to fly, or it just got tired of being on 4 wheels? That's a textbook example of a driver who couldn't handle the turn. Talk about a bad day. The driver is back, but now they have to fight their way through a sea of shopping carts just to get to their car. This wasn't a crash, it was a disaster waiting to happen. Racing on an icy road is a bad idea, and this driver's ambition came to a sudden, painful end. Some people just can't take the pressure of a honking horn. The price of that little beep? A completely shattered side mirror.